Train Control 4 workers Central, be advised at M15, switch 23, we have no normal correspondence.
Copy.
Train Control West Oakland, Train Control 46.
Passing Balboa Park on the freeway.
Copy.
It's up.
Yeah, I might need you to go back to M17, but, I'll give you a call. Train Control West, Train Control 42. Train Control 5, Train Control 42.
Go for Train Control 5.
Can you guys go back to M15 Central Road? Oh, that we need to go wayside. To do a quick look. Thank you. You over 12?
We're at the ladder by the interlocking. Kilo Street.
You're waiting to go wayside?
Yeah, we are trying to get the work order now. You copy, Joanna?
Yeah, we copy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Train Control 5, Train Control 42.
Go for Train Control 5.
Can you guys go back to M15 Central Road? Oh, that we need to go wayside. To do a quick look.
Careful. We're at the ladder by the interlocking. Kilo Street.
You're waiting to go wayside?
Yeah, we are trying to get the work order now. Everybody is correct. You are released from your home. I need you to verify total of 3 switches, A1, A2 checks. Confirm the crank frontal line for straight to route at 878. You're released from your home, 0442. Copy, good morning, all one. A15, all switches look good.
Right.
Morning, Central 109, Hayward Transfer 1, ready for dispatch.
Copy, all one. Everybody is seated up in the route, 820 victims, join kilos of truck. You verify the switches to the second switch and the 820 victims from your route. And the first switch on the 23 kilos of truck out from the spine to the route. Release from your whole system, there's
And zero speed at M17 Juliet.
361 in the tube, hold M15 gate Charlie, but reback.
361, oh, check.
361 hold M15 gate well.
361 hold, check. Stop. Before I go, stop it.
Reback is correct, 0509 is the time. 107 hold M15 gate Alpha, report holding stop running down reback.
107 hold M15 gate Alpha, stop it down.
Reback is correct, time is 0509.
Central 221 verified. Straight new route in the up line, crank in the upright position, and I see the bolt in the clamp.
You said it's in clamp on line for the throughout 2 switches?
Affirmative.
Thank you, 221 release ATO 0510.
Central 237, F55 Echo ready for platform 2.
Copy that. I'm going to give the 361 work orders to off-board and check for cranks at M15. We got to switch out of correspondence.
Nope, I'm not there yet.
And 361, make sure you make an announcement before you off-board there at M15.
That's
441, 325 Charlie.
361, let me know you're holding ready to copy work orders.
373, confirm steel 6, park. Yeah, it's 230, I got route when you get more.
361 hold and stop on down at M15 Charlie.
361 with M15 locking will be work orders until the 600.
361 works at M15 interlocking, category B, until 0600 hours.
Reback is correct. Power is on. Trains are holding for your protection. Time is 0515. So the first thing I need you to do is, when you're off board, check if there is a crank in switch 223 M15 Charlie. It's the first switch you come through at M15 Charlie. 371, I'll get you right up shortly.
371 copy.
We're back, correct, 0518. 361, are you at that first switch?
325 Foxtrot.
Okay. Can you cross over to the one side and check switch 123, the one at M15 gate Bravo?
Okay.
109, approaching Lake Mary, Whole Lake Penn Station, right?
109, hold Lake Mary.
Reback is correct, 0521. M15 Alpha.
127-227.
Voice and switch closest to you at M15 Alpha, and then 227 will be the one across at M15 Delta. Passengers may have your attention, please. This is a message from the Bart Operations Control Center. Due to a switching problem just outside West Oakland Station, we're currently experiencing a 5 to 10 minute delay in service. We do have crews on the ground taking care of the issue. We should have the issue resolved shortly. We do apologize for any inconveniences may have caused, and thank you for your patience. Train operators deactivate TPS. Time is 0524.
Central 361.
Go ahead, 361.
So you just wanted 223 and 123 cranks installed for straight to routes, right?
Yeah, 223 and 123. Both sides were straight through routes, and 107 is cranking the other side. We install cranks in both switches, 223 and 123.
Yeah, boy. So 223 and 123. So straight through route. Headed back to the camp.
Yeah, thank you. 501 Holfordville Station, right? 107, how we doing?
Very good.
397 on 1.
Central 361, I'm back in my cab.
Copy 361. 361, you're back in the cab, right?
I am.
107, you're back in the cab?
See by Charlie need rep 10 2. So did you release files in Markville?
I'm sorry, 107, did you confirm you're back in the cab?
107 back in the cab.
Thank you. And 361, I show you clear for category B work orders at M15-0530.
Alright, folks, I am back in the cab.
361, in-road man on M2 track to West Oakland Station, restriction proceed, caution, are back. Feedback is correct. Install route on lane M15, caution tilt. Need to verify two install route on the straight throughout M15 Delta. Operator under the M15 gate chart. Time is 0:31.
I'm released from my hold.
Release from your hold 5:31. And authorized to run at M15 Charlie.
107 and roll mirror when the M1 track to milepost 3.0, so see precaution.
Your readback is correct. Central stands crank star right on line M15 Alpha to Bravo. You're released from your hold. I need you to verify two cranks and star right on line. For straight through M15 Alpha to Bravo. Authorized to run the red M15 gate Alpha 0532. 501, you're released from your hold. Fruitville, time is 0532.
Sure, the 6 cranks installed on drive straight through Charlie to Delta.
Copy through two cranks for M15 Charlie to Delta Route 0532. 107, go ahead.
Verify two cranks installed. Upright position.
And for 0534. And 107, you released ATO 0534.
Central 393, stand by C5 Alpha.
441, your roadman will run the M1 track to milepost 2.0, restriction, pursuit, caution, work on solid train ahead, Rebecca.
Proceed with caution.
Rebecca is correct. Central status crank star route on line M15 Alpha to Bravo. Authorized to run the red M15 gate Alpha. Verify two cranks and star route on line, handle in the upright position. M15 Alpha to Bravo straight through route. Time is 0535.
441 activity. Confirm two cranks installed right on line Alpha to Bravo. We have 2.0. I still have calls and some more roads.
Okay, time is 0538 and 441 roadman on the M1 track to milepost 4.0, restriction on salvage and head readback. 441 readback is correct, time is 0530.
Central 101, confirm two cranks installed. M15, so straight from route. Charlie to Delta.
Thank you. 110539 is the time. Release ATO.
301 roadman limit track to milepost 4.0, restriction for work on the side of the train ahead.
363 and roadman will run the N2 track to West Oakland, restriction work on side of the train ahead.
107, where did you pick up codes at?
109, roadman will run the M1 track to milepost 4.0, restriction work on side of the train ahead.
All trains go to activate your TPA standby for delay message update. Morning passengers, may I have your attention please? This is a message from the Bart Operations Control Center. Due to switching problem just outside West Oakland Station, we're currently experiencing 15-minute delays in both directions between the East Bay and the West Bay. Trains are moving slowly through the area. We do apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused. And thank you for your patience. Train operators deactivate TPA 0445.